The next content curation tool I want to talk about is Twitter lists. And it's actually not a tool, it's a feature of Twitter, but you can group several different Twitter users and accounts in a list and see all of their content in one place. So let me show you how. So once you log into your Twitter, click here and then lists. And here are different lists that you have created and that you are a member of. And here's the definition of Twitter list from Twitter itself. It's a curated group of Twitter users and a great way to organize your interests, your tweets, and the content. So for example, for this client of mine, I have created a list of different people who talk about sharing economy because that is her niche. And now in that list, I will see content from just those group of people. So I'm filtering through the noise and only seeing the relevant content to this client or this niche. So let me show you how you can create Twitter lists. So let's go back here and click on lists. Create a new list. And let's say I want to curate news about startups. And you can make the list public or private. So let's select private for now. Save it. And now here is my list. Now I can find different Twitter accounts that I want to add to this. So let's say I know TechCrunch. They talk a lot about startups, so I want to add them to this list. So I can search their Twitter account, follow them, and click on this More User Action button, add or remove from list, and now I can select that Twitter list I just created. Let's pick one more. So I know Sarah talks a lot about startups also, so I can follow her and add her to the same list. So now I have 2 users in that Twitter list. Let's also find entrepreneurs.com's Twitter handle and add them. So here is their Twitter handle, because they also share a lot of content relevant to startups. So I can do the same thing. Click here, add or remove from lists, and then select that. So now I have a Twitter list and I have added 3 Twitter users or accounts in that list. So let's go back to that list. Now, I am seeing all the content from those 3 accounts or 3 sources in one place. This is a great way of curating content from sources or Twitter accounts of your own choice. I can go through this, filter through the content that I'm looking at, and on the day that I'm supposed to curate content on my social media channels, I can easily share this content on my Twitter or also on my social media channels other than Twitter.